The life skills class has been working on making Christmas crafts. We have chocolate covered pretzels in various varieties: dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate. Some of them have sprinkles on them that are red and green. Some of them have candy canes. And then we have them in festive jars. So we have some that are decorated like snowmen, some that are decorated like reindeer, and then some with just like a little Christmas tag and a nice ribbon. And then we also are making Christmas candles. So we have a few different scents in colors red, green, and white. And they also have nice decorative ribbons and stickers on them.
$25.
Look at this guy.
So he's giving you 40 though.
Oh boy.
So let's count how much change he gets. 25?
30, 35, 40.
So he gets three fives back, so count. 5.
32.
You can give him $15 back. Give him $15 back.
Great job.
We like to do fun projects to get students in, the holiday spirit, whatever the holiday or season is. So that's always a fun thing to do. But we also work on their fine motor skills with all of these activities. So they're working on pouring things into a jar for the candles, which can also then translate to when they're making something in the kitchen. So that kind of works out nicely. In terms of doing the chocolate covered pretzels, again, that's something they could try to do on their own at home too with family. That's always fun. And then just the interactions with the staff as they, make exchanges with them. They get to do the social exchange and then the money exchange, which again is another life skill that we get to practice. So it all kind of ties in together really nicely. How do you feel about it? Very good. Very good. Would you say you feel proud of yourself?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Filling the candles.
Filling the candles. Why do you like filling the candles?
Because I like helping Miss P out.
You like helping out Mrs. P?
Yes.
Very good.
I also like about and do some buy a gift to come in advance. And also like we enjoy Christmas.
Can you tell me what's your favorite part of working on the Christmas crafts?
My favorite part is working with the chocolate and eating all the broken pieces at the end of the day.
But I absolutely love the kids, and I love that they feel accomplished and they feel like they've done something. When they see a craft and they see how great it turns out, the smiles on their faces and their accomplishments, that's worth it.
It's nice to see them with the final product because they have an amount of satisfaction and happiness when they see something that they've done, especially if their parents or family members order them and then they can deliver it and be like, look what I made. It's very cool.